TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. The TWKL-200-10 two-compressed air compressor with a horizontal tank and a volume of 200 liters is perfect for a wide range of applications in workshops and for leisure use. With a suction capacity of 420 liters per minute, a working pressure of up to 10 bar, and a 2-cylinder motor block, this unit provides a reliable and efficient supply of compressed air. The powerful 2.2 kW electric motor operates on a mains voltage of 230 volts, allowing it to be connected to standard power sources. The equipment includes a pressure reducer, a pressure gauge, a non-return valve, an automatic pressure switch with start-stop switch, motor protection, a startup relief device, a safety valve, a ball valve, a water drain, a handle and wheels for easy positioning of the compressor. To run the TWKL-200-10, a 230-volt power supply is required. The compressor weighs 124 kilograms and is supplied with certificates of conformity for the tank. Visit us in one of our branches. With 12 branches in 7 countries also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on-site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with large stock of products available for an immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changes and tire balances. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent automotive garage supplier.